Healthy meals for picky kids. Your child is picky, but you want to feed him healthy food to protect him from disease and boost his immune system. Don't worry, in this article we will help you to make a healthy, delicious meals that will satisfy the picky eater in your family. 1. Healthy small burgers. Who hates burger? No one. Especially kids, they love it. So let's make a healthy small burgers for them. Ingredients: 1 large egg, lightly beaten, 2/3 cup soft whole wheat bread crumbs, 1/2 cup finely chopped celery, 1/4 cup finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon minced fresh parsley, 1 teaspoon dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon pepper, 1¼ pounds lean ground chicken, 6 whole wheat hamburger buns. Directions: in a small bowl, combine the egg, breadcrumbs, celery, onion, parsley, and seasonings. Add the chicken over mixture and mix well. Shape into 5 patties. On a greased grill, cook covered over medium heat or broil 4 in. From the heat, 5 to 6 minutes on each side. Finally, serve on buns with some cheese and tomato, and don't forget the lettuce leaf. 2. Veggie pizza sauce. As much as they love burger, the kids are obsessed with pizza. So if you are the parent of a picky or a challenging eater, this veggie pizza sauce is for you. It's basically a variety of cooked and pureed vegetables. It tastes just like the sauce you get in your favorite restaurant. It's also perfect on pasta. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon olive oil, 1 red, orange, or yellow diced bell pepper, 1 medium carrot, 1 stalk celery, 1 small diced onion, 2 cloves minced garlic, 1 tablespoon tomato paste, and 2 cans of 28-ounce diced and drained tomatoes. Directions: heat the oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add the bell peppers, carrots, celery, onions, and garlic. Saute until veggies are soft, about 5 minutes. Add the tomato paste and cook for 1 more minute, stirring constantly. Add the tomatoes, reduce heat to low, and simmer for 10 minutes. Remove from heat, puree with an immersion hand blender or in a regular blender until almost smooth. Return sauce to the heat and simmer until thick, 10 to 20 minutes. The longer you simmer the sauce, the thicker and more flavorful it will become. You can simmer up to 2 hours. 3. Peanut butter and banana smoothie. For a healthy breakfast, make some fresh smoothie for your kids with their favorite fruit, banana. Ingredients: milk, yogurt, peanut butter. Add all of the ingredients into a blender and blend until creamy and smooth. Add a little extra milk or water to get the blender going and make the smoothie a bit thinner.